In this video, I'll show you how to find wallet address on Kraken. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so to generate a cryptocurrency deposit address and to find that on Kraken, you need to follow the simple instructions. First is you need to sign into your Kraken account and click the deposit button right here. Okay. After clicking the deposit, the first drop down will be pre-populated with your available crypto. If you wish to generate a deposit address for different crypto than the one shown right here, search for the currency you want to deposit and click on it. Say for example, this one, BTC or Bitcoin. Click the button that says generate deposit address. All right. Right here, generate new address or manage deposit addresses. All right. Simply copy that link and wait for a few seconds and a new deposit address will be available. The generated cryptocurrency address can be selected and used to deposit to your Kraken account. And that's simply the way for you to find your wallet address in Kraken, right? You can also view a QR code to easily scan the deposit address into a mobile wallet. And of course, there are no limits on how many times you can use a deposit address, but generating more than 5 deposit addresses from the same cryptocurrency will result in older deposit addresses expiring, alright? And if you already have the maximum of 5 deposit addresses and all are marked as new address, it is not possible to generate any more addresses. This will result in the too many addresses error. Okay, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.